So I did it. Okay? It's going to come off. You have to look at it. And you have to say to yourself, okay, what's wrong? Why is there 120 volts going to each line? Each line is secure. Each line comes, it's always been a little ratatouille. This is the red wire. It goes up until all this stuff and it comes back down. The light works. This I have to test, which I didn't. I have a video that you saw on Thursday of links, and Jay changes the thermocoupling or thermo cutoff. And I think that was 6 years ago when it first started happening. And I don't think this was brown. I don't think it was burning. I think they were both nice. Then there's this. I'm going to vacuum everything because I can. And then you say, well, wait, this is nice, right? This is nice. This is pliable. This is pliable. You don't want to really get nuts. This is what I did years ago because it was burning. It was still pliable, but it was burning. And I'm making this video December 10th, 2024. And I'm going to try to remember to reference this video. Whether this is fully broken or not, I don't know. Every single thing on this is replaceable. You press a button, it turns the timer on, it engages the heat coil, it blows the air. Like, if I wanted to gut this whole thing, I think every single thing is replaceable. So anyway, let's get back to this stuff. This was on top. This was on the bottom. It actually doesn't matter. It's a jumper. And then this piece of tape, which is irrelevant, was right here. So this piece sat taped and jumped. The top piece, again, for video purposes, I taped. It was getting a little burnt. I was trying to remove the tape, and then I made this video. The bottom part, which is this porcelain rectangle, was not like this. Please reference. It was intact, but it was, listen, it was crunchy. So when I moved it, this is what happened. So now years ago, at some point, this was getting hot. Focus. And it was coming down, and it was charring this wire. This is not factory. This is supposed to be nice and solid and red. It's supposed to have a perfect connection right to the source, okay? Yes, I saw that too. So this is crunchy. So I don't have a problem with this. I'll lop this off. And I'll get new butt connectors, and I'll make them really tight so they don't sit like this. Look, watch this. Ready? Look, see? That's the bottom. But look, you don't want it you want it to come in and out. But you don't want it to, because then I guess when it's running, it's is that considered arcing? Is that an arcing problem? So then this red thing goes to the motor. I didn't take out the plenum yet because I'm just going to clean the machine. And then now this is crunchy. And this I don't like. In and out it's fine, but I don't like this. I don't like the crunchiness. Is it failing? Is it broken? Now Jay has to come over here, and now we have to figure out, I don't know if that burn means something. I don't know if that's normal. These don't have them. See that little circle burn. See that shadow? That circle burn. So I'll put this back. Do I have to test this? This is like something. This is something. I might have parts, but yeah, we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna look at it, but power comes to the top, nothing's shaking. Power goes up to all the necessary components, then it comes down and it wants to talk. It says turn on heat. Turn on the heat. Thermal coupling means that there's no blockage in here. There's no sock, there's no It makes heat right under here. Can I do it this way? Hi. Hello. I don't think, oh, Jesus. I don't know if that's, no, that's the heater. I don't think that means anything. No socks, no nothing, right? Heat comes out, heat, so like, and the light's on. So anyway, I wonder if it's thermaled out. Does that make sense? Like one of these 1, 2, 3, 4 parts failed. The timer really works, but then the drum doesn't turn. And the drum usually always turns. And if this breaks, that means there's no heat. So anyway, we're going to wrap this up. This is what I'm showing you guys. We're going to clean this and get the right parts. Whether I have them or Jay have them, or I just go and purchase them. I mean, this is not hard to make a connection. If I really wanted to get Italian, I could put a little solder in there. I mean, as far as a new one, I don't have this perfect tool. Of all the tools I do have, right? I don't have this tool that makes it from the factory where it crimps it on top, and then so that's it. This is what it looks like December 10th 2024. I want to make note of everything because I have no idea how long it's going to last, if it's going to last. And you could say, hey, remember that video? Yeah, that wire was not burnt. See what I'm saying? See how nice this is? I mean, it is a little wobbly. I'll try to fix that down the road. But see how solid that is? The red goes into here. It's crimped from the factory. So this doesn't have a load on it. This is the one, yeah. So we'll see. Labor of love.